Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, this weekend is the 4th of July weekend and I'm really looking forward to it. We should have at least 1 or 2 days of great weather so we can get out and, you know, do some things around town or in our own backyards. A couple of my wonderful subscribers, Sarah Ann and LP. Hello, ladies. Thank you so much for reminding me that I usually do some kind of a nail video for the 4th. So I did do some festive 4th of July nails that I'm going to be putting on. And I used these natural Kiss acrylic natural nails that you can either use just as they are, which is just kind of a almost not really transparent, but just no polish on it. You can use them as is if you like that, or you can polish them. And I chose, these are the medium length, so I will be trimming them down because they're just a little too long for me. But I chose to polish them. And I have these, you've seen me use these many times before, these little nail stands from Amazon. They come in a set of 2, and these little stands for your nails are magnetic and they just go onto the stand. This allows you to paint the nails, polish them yourself using your own nail polish, or you can do nail art. You can put little embellishments on the nails, and this just makes it so easy. And I used Essie Nail Colors, and I just picked these up this week, so they are new, and you should be able to get them at your local Walgreens, CVS, Ulta, wherever you can get Essie. And the red is called, it's number 490, and it's called Not Red, Not Ready for Bed color, and that's a very pretty red. And the blue is called Style Cartel number 790. And this is a really nice, almost like royal blue, I would call it. The color blue of the flag. And then I got white, let's see, what is this? Blanc. And it's number 008. I have a lot of luck with these Essie colors when I polish these Kiss nails. They come out fantastic. It has great coverage and it lasts. I used this Sally Hansen top coat. This is like a gel top coat that I just really like. It is just Sally Hansen top coat, and it works really well to protect the polish when you have it on. So anyway, yes, I've already been showing you them, but I basically went with a polka dotted, blue and white polka dotted thumbnail, and then the red, white, and blue for the rest of my nails. I didn't get too crazy, but I did do some polka dots on here. What I do is, in order for me to be able to, you know, touch them and press them on, I polish them on one day, let them dry for overnight. You know, I did 2 coats of polish and 1 coat of the top coat, let it dry overnight, and it's about 1:30 in the afternoon, and I'm going to glue them on now. So my nails, I actually, if you've noticed in some of my other videos recently, I haven't had any nails on. I think I took my last set of nails off about, let's see, maybe 2 weeks ago. I really let my nails breathe, and you know, I cut them down. They were kind of long. They were looking kind of ragged. Granted, you can't see them under the nails that I glue on, but I really wanted to just let them breathe for a really long period of time and let them kind of recover from being underneath nails and using glue all the time. But I have to tell you, my nails still remain in really good shape. You know, there is some kind of, like, you know, I don't know what to call it. They're not damaged. They're just kind of like marked up. But I mean, overall, overall, these nails and this glue does not damage your nails. I get a lot of questions about, you know, whether or not it damages your nails. And I mean, I keep these nails on for at least a week, sometimes a little bit longer. I'm always washing dishes. I always have my hands in water. I don't have any problems with them. So I'm really lucky in that respect, maybe. I don't know if people tend to have problems if, you know, they get water under there or whatever. You have to you can't put them on one day and then try to take them off the next day. It's really gonna be rough on your nails. And it doesn't, you know, I don't have any issue with it kind of pulling off the nail when I take it off after. But again, I leave them on for at least a week. So with all the water and everything, it really breaks down the glue. So by the time I want to take them off, they're ready to just pop off. I have no issue taking them off. So that's the scoop. So let me give her another chip because she's starting to get rambunctious. And if you're new here, you can tell that's a bird. All right. I'm gonna glue them on, trim them down, give them a quick file. I just file straight across to give my nails that square look. See what they look like. Come on down. Okay guys, I have finished my 4th of July nails. As you can see, they're awesome. You know, they're not overly done. They're just the colors of the flag, and I really, really like how they come out. I love how they come out when I polish them myself. I can choose whatever colors that I want. And as I've said in previous videos, I can file these nails, whereas I cannot file my own natural nails. I just don't have any skills in that regard, and my nails never look good to me when I file them myself. But when I put on these nails and file them, they're just so easy to file. There's really nothing to that process. It just files. They just file so good. I don't even know why or how to explain it, but I can file these nails. So I get the nice square nail, and these colors, I think these colors are a perfect match for the flag, and this is representative of the stars. So anyway, guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this 4th of July nail video. It's so easy to use these little stands. I know one of my other subscribers, Andrea, who's been with me from the very beginning. You are amazing, Andrea. Thank you so much for always showing up. I have so many others that I could thank. You are all very much loved and very much appreciated. So, but she recently picked up these stands, and she didn't get the gold and the silver. I guess they came in the same color, but when I ordered them, I got the gold and the silver together, and they are showing this way on Amazon. But I always link them under my nail videos in the description section. I always link these, and I always link my glue and whatever else I can find. My trimmers, I love these trimmers. They work phenomenal on these nails, and some people get scared of the little guillotine here, but you know, it looks like a guillotine. But you put this away from you and you use this side when you're cutting. So, I mean, they are safe. Just don't put you couldn't fit your whole finger in there if you tried. It's just a small little opening. So anyway, that is it for this video. As we celebrate the 4th of July, I just would like to take the opportunity to just say, you know, we are so blessed to have this independence and this wonderful country that we live in, and there are others who are not as fortunate and currently are having, you know, a really, really difficult time. I can't even begin to, you know, imagine what they're going through. I have a subscriber, Kate. She has a wonderful YouTube channel called Cozy Homesy, and I will link it below. I love her channel. I'm subscribed to her channel as well, and she's in Ukraine, and she has some wonderful DIYs, and she shows some wonderful things in her videos. So go and check her out. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday weekend. I will see you in my next video next week. I do have a few ideas for some upcoming videos. But if there's something you'd like to see, like, you know, Sarah Ann and LP, they said they were excited to see what I was going to do for the 4th of July nails. And frankly, I hadn't even thought of that. I was thinking of other things, but I'm glad that they reminded me, and I'm happy to have my 4th of July nails on. So yes, you know, if you are looking to see something, or I did something in a prior video that you'd like to see again, just let me know. I definitely will make every effort to do that. And if you're new here, welcome. If you like this type of video, I hope that you will consider subscribing. Not only do I do nail videos, but I do vlogs, and I do cooking and home decor and all kinds of different things. Actually, it's the Nordstrom anniversary sale starting now in July. There are different tiers as to when people can start shopping if you have a Nordstrom card. I did put a bunch of stuff in my wish list because June 29th you could go. It was a preview. If you want to see how I chose what's in my wish list in a video, let me know, because I'll definitely share that with you guys, tell you a little bit about how, you know, why I put things in my wish list and stuff like that. So yeah, just let me know, and I will definitely share that with you. So anyway, guys, have a great holiday weekend. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking out this channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.